again to my channel. Today we're gonna cook what we call Turon. It's a dessert made out of the following. You need plantain, jackfruit, wrap, cheese, brown sugar, and plantain. We're gonna slice it like this. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna get 2 pieces of plantain that was cut like this, and you add a strip of cheese, and then you add and then you put sugar in between. Maybe you can put a little bit more. I prefer it to be sugary. With the lumpia wrapper, like so. Halfway through, you fold that lumpia wrapper and wet it so it can stick to the sides, and then you put some more water on the very end of it so it will stick to it. So that should be like that. So you just continually do that until you get fry them. So another one. So look at the slices of the plantain. Get the cheese in between. Fold them. The plantain so that sugar in between. On the very end, so put some water in the very end so it can stick when you wrap them all over. And so that these are the ones that we finished wrapping. Make sure that the oil is hot. Make sure that it's not gonna get turn it around. And you know, another option that you can do, I put some sugar in that oil. So it's melted sugar, so when you turn it around, it's gonna sugary if that's what you want. So just an option for you, but I like it like that with sugar, just like banana cue. Sugar on the side. I would recommend if you can try this one. Turon with either Nutella, hazelnut, or hazelnut spread, or cocoa jam. So cocoa jam like this. So you can try that. The hazelnut that I use is actually this one, not Nutella, but this one. So you can try it. I'd like to try it. And dip it in Nutella. I mean, not Nutella. Hazelnut spread. Mmm. You heard the crunchiness of it. Now I'm gonna try this time around with the coconut jam. Hold on. Look at that goodness. Mmm, that is good too. So that's how you cook. Turon, thank you very much for watching. Please, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thank you very much and bye-bye.